Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we're here at the track, and you can see behind me we're here with our car. No, I will not be taking it around the track because I don't want to leave oil and parts all over the track. So, as most of you know, we're not anywhere near done and anywhere near pushing this poor thing. But we're showing it off, so hopefully we'll get a lot of kids today to come take a look at the car. As you can see here, they're getting ready to take these cars out for the Xtreme Xperience. We had our drive yesterday, as you saw earlier. So they're setting up to get a bunch of people out on these cars on the track. So again, really professional crew. They do a great job of getting people through and making sure that people have a good time. So I've been really impressed with how these guys do their job. So anyway, if you want to do this, give them a shout. I put down in the description, I'll put the link to the site, and then you can go ahead and check them out. Here he comes. Hopefully he doesn't need to change his shorts. And here's our car. So I'll give you a quick walk around. The beautiful thing is we actually got to garage it last night, and then we got to drive it out here. So I'm getting used to driving it. Still got to shake out a lot of things. My son put in the fuzzy dice, which is a nice touch. Anyway, it's still got a long way to go, but it shows okay. It's good for the kids, and that's what we're really after, is making sure that we can do some outreach for our STEM and STEAM folks. So anyway, welcome back, guys, to our last day. So this is our last day at the show. We're gonna show this out here. Oh, there's our buddy Aaron. He's our host here at Xtreme Xperience. Fantastic fella. He's been very, very good to us. So as you can see, we've got the car out. This time we're not doing the tent because it's nice and cool out today. It's only about 66 degrees. In the background, you can hear some of the cars going around. They should be coming around the track here in a moment. We can watch them go by. Pace car, Lambo, another Lambo, pace car, 911, C8, Ferrari, pace car, GT, 911, and another Huracan. And there goes the McLaren. Of course, it's always last.